In this video I am going to show you how we trade commodities and futures based on commitment of traders report. My name is Max Schulz, I am professional commodities and futures trader. First of all, we speak about the portfolio with which we started in trading week 21. In our portfolio we had two positions. We were 3 contract long in cotton future and we were 1 contract long in gasoline future. First trade cotton future. I mentioned this trade in my last video. Please watch my last video, you will find it on my YouTube channel. Cotton future July contract. You can see after we got into the market, the price decreased. We decided to reduce our risk and reduce our position size. After that, the price increased to our entry level and we decided to close the position with a profit of $45. The position was open about 3 weeks. Usually we stay in the position not so long. We stay in position between 3 and 5 days. If we stay in position longer as 5 days, it is a sign of wrong timing. Next trade we made with the gasoline future. Gasoline July contract daily chart. You can see we waited for a correction and we used the correction to go into the market. After we go into the market, the price increased immediately. This is a good sign for the right timing. We were in the position only 1, 2, 3, 4 days, and after 4 days we closed the position with a profit of $4,770. Next trade natural gas. Look at the weekly chart. You can see downward trend. We got a signal in direction of weekly trend. Usually such signals are good signals. Also you can see seasonal trend decrease for the next 2 months. This is good for our short trade. Natural gas future July contract. We used the price correction to go into the market. We were in the market only 1 day. After 1 day we decided to close part of our position with a profit of $6,570. Now we have 2 contracts open and our stop loss is on the entry level. Same trade we did with a small account. The profit is $750. We show how we trade small accounts. It could be useful for traders with small accounts. At the end we speak about CRB index. CRB index is an index for commodities prices. We see CRB index increase. This means next week is better to focus on long setups. We ended trading week 21 with 1 position in our portfolio. We are 2 contracts short in natural gas. In total we made $11,394 profit in trading week 21. It means all-time high on our trading account, on our big trading account. Also we made all-time high on our small account. We also take a part in the World Cup Championship of Futures Trading, and this week we increase our percentage from 137 to 153%. This was our trading results in commodities and futures trading in trading week 21. See you next week.